So at this moment, we will take the engine out and try to find out what is an actual problem and try to fix it. So at this moment, the car is up and we're trying to take the engine off. The exhaust is off now at this moment, as you see, so it's stuck. Yeah, everything is in place. The cats, the mitts, and the back. So the engine is out. So we're going inside a cylinder to see the damage. But this one is good. There's no damage in this cylinder. As you see, everything's okay. Yeah, good. We're going to the same one. Yeah, everything's nice. And now we're gonna go to the damaged one. See? Something's inside. Bingo, we have a problem. Rishim Rishim. So the engine is loaded and we're going to another shop where we're gonna fix it. So, hello guys, and as you saw the previous shots, the previous video, that I have a very big surprise, a very bad surprise, and I'm not happy about it because the car came from the auction with an engine damage, and actually we don't know yet what's wrong there, but as you saw that we went inside the cylinder with a camera and there's something inside. So the engine now is taken to a workshop where the specialist is going to separate the engine and see what's inside. But we guess that it's a valve that is broken there, and we'll see how much damage is there. So never buy a car with not a run and drive title. It was enhanced, and lots of guys buy that kind of cars, and there's everything okay, the engine okay and stuff like that, but I was in luck with this car, and I hope so that we can fix it and everything's gonna be okay. So everybody's asking for me, writing private messages and commenting that how much that car cost and what else. So now I'm just gonna write some prices. The auction price was $21,700, and it's about 20,000 euros. Next, the shipping costs and the taxes together, it was about $4,400. So it will be about 4,100 euros. So, what else? At this moment I bought a front bumper, a hellcat bumper. It cost for me $800 plus air filter. It was about $250. And it would be about 970 euros. So what else? So the engine is out, so I paid 100 euros for to take the engine out. So it would be about $110 and 100 euros. So, and what about other repairs? I don't know how much the engine is going to cost to repair, if it's repairable, and I don't know other costs, so I'm just putting here this, because I don't know. So in the next videos, I think I will show everything. So I think every vlog I'm going to show all the prices. So we're just going to go down, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on and on. And this moment in total I have $27,288. So it would be about 25,200 euros. So at this moment, I spent that sum of money, and we'll see how much it would cost in the future. So I'm going to show everything as I said. So thank you guys for watching my video, and if you're interested to see what's gonna happen next and what's wrong with my engine, I'm gonna show everything in the next video vlog. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the notification bell, and wait for other videos. So I will upload videos weekly, so every Sunday one video. And maybe when I'm gonna rebuild my hellcat, I will upload more often, maybe 2 or 3 times a week. But now at this moment there's not much to show, so I'm just showing all the rebuild costs, everything. So see you in the next video, guys.